Hello all, I am Anubhav and today we are going to talk about role of artificial intelligence in metaverse. Okay, so let's set the agenda for today's session. Number one, we are going to discuss about what is metaverse. Second, we are going to see what are different seven layers of metaverse. Third, we are going to see how AI will help in seven layers of metaverse. And fourth, we are going to conclude our session. So let's first define the word metaverse. What exactly is this metaverse? So metaverse is basically a virtual reality world wherein user can interact, game and experience things as they would in real world using current virtual reality tech, right? So now that we have defined the word metaverse, let's talk about the seven layers of metaverse. So we have these seven layers in metaverse. We have infrastructure, we have human interface, we have decentralization, spatial computing, creator economy, discovery, and experience. Okay. So let's talk about how AI will help in achieving, or how AI is going to help us in having these seven layers of metaverse, right? So number one is infrastructure. So for infrastructure, we need to use artificial intelligence operations, which is also known as AOps, which we know is going to manage software, hardware, and communication part of metaverse. Plus, AI models are set to provide in-depth insight regarding the activities. Number two is human interface. So for human interface, as we know, we can have some kind of variables, smart glasses, or you can say some VR tech, right? So how AI will help in this? AI, using AI, we can do image recognition. We can do, let's see them. We can make use of image recognition, right? Like this one, or we can use automatic translation. Like if I want to convert one language to another, then there could be automatic translation using AI, right? And we can also talk about intelligent exoskeletons, right? Because as we have this physical shape in the real world, we need to have exoskeletons which can replicate our body type, which can replicate how we basically look like in metaverse as well. So for that, we can make use of intelligent exoskeletons. Then we can talk about brain computer interface for the people who are physically disabled, who are not able to perform their task in real world, but yes, they can express themselves in this digital world. For them it is going to be a magic, right? Then let's talk about photorealistic world. Since we know the world is to be replicated in metaverse, that everything is going to be so close to real world, whether I talk about the experience in the real life, whether I talk about creating a parallel economy, or whether I talk about having sports events, personalization, recommendations, right? So we need to have this photorealistic world in there as well. So how can we achieve this photorealistic world? We can achieve this photorealistic world by using style transfer. We can use it, we can do it by making use of language transformers, right? We can make use of GANs. Like you can see, this is a Mona Lisa painting. And then my AI model can come up with a style image and then neural style transfer model, right? So all these things which are now being implemented in advanced AI, the same can be the same tech can be used in the virtual world metaverse as well, right? And then in some way we can be helping disabled as well, like people who are not able to see or people who are not able to do their physical task. AI can help them in metaverse to achieve or to do the task which they are not able to do in the real life. So it is going to be kind of boom for them, right? Then let's talk about personalization, of course, because see, every human being is different in real life scenario. So his learning path is different, his way of thinking is different. So using artificial intelligence, we can recommend or we can give the personalized learning path to each of the user there, so that he's more engaged in the process of using the tech, right? And we can only do it by using the metaverse, by using the artificial intelligence system in metaverse. Okay, so these are some of the key findings that I could find as of now, but still we are scratching our heads that how we should go about things in metaverse. But just to make a random guess, we can make use of artificial intelligence in these number of ways. It's all about like how we are going to make that virtual world a better place, how similar we are going to make it to the real world, right? So I'll suggest that it's high time for you to dwell on a journey of artificial intelligence, because the world that you are about to experience is going to be heavily based on artificial intelligence. So um, like I said, we'll be concluding our session. So the ultimate goal, like I said, the ultimate goal is to create the immersive experience in metaverse, which can only be done using advanced AI, or which can only be implemented using advanced AI solutions. So with this, I thank you all to listen. No, bro, I need